everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here I am at Hobby Lobby, and I thought I'd go ahead and show you all of this. So let's take a quick look. So the bigger vessels are along the bottom, and I'm absolutely loving them, especially those pedestals. But these pots are so beautiful, guys. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. I can't reach up there, guys. Otherwise I would show it to you. I don't want to drop anything. So these are also really pretty too. Now, this is just also a quick reminder that I would love for you guys to head on over to my community tab, because there you're going to see the calendar of collaborations for the month. And I'm only working with one hand, guys, so I don't want to pick up anything that I can possibly drop or break. And I don't see a sale sign on these, so whatever the prices are, well, they must be. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I certainly can't turn that over to check the price. They are beautiful. And these are nice too, and I love the texture. This is pretty too. Okay, so this one is $7.99, I think. All right. And these I don't think I've seen before. So here's the price. Up there. I'm gonna try and see if I can do a DIY and recreate. This one is really nice. I'm trying to see if I can find some pieces for a tier tray. And these are really nice. These are nice. Here's the marble. I can't pick that one up, but this one, I don't know, the prices are always upside down when I pick them up. And then this color always calls my attention, and of course we have our chinoiserie pieces. I certainly don't want to pick those up and turn them around, but look how nice they look. This is pretty. Like I said, I don't see a for sale sign, and there's no reduced stickers. Aren't these beautiful, guys? So this one is $40. Okay, and this is a hog trough. Debbie, you know what I'm trying to say there. All right, so that is this out right here. I hope that you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day. Woo, I'm so happy. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.